So people often ask, wait, Amy, what are the benefits of the YellowBall? Why would I want to have one of these big, huge peanut balls? Well, it's really wonderful for larger bodied people because it enables them to get into positions that are supportive of their pelvis without fatiguing their joints. So as you can see here, as I'm sitting on this peanut ball, I'm able to lower myself by sitting on the saddle and putting my pelvis lower than my knee. I'm able to be in a squatting position. I could also lean over if I wanted to, okay? So I can do a lot of movement and rocking. And this is much more balanced. I'm not gonna roll off of this, which I might feel if I was on a larger round ball. So it often gives people more stability. Now, one of the other things that you can do during second stage is you can have someone hold on to a rebozo, or you can loop it around the squatting bar and the person can pull on it from the front, or sometimes people like to pull on it from behind, okay? Pioneer women used to, on their four-poster beds, that's what they used to do, or they would hang this over the ceiling post in the timbers in their cabin, and they would pull on them during second stage, okay? So that is a very well-known trick for helping babies to come down. So those are the big reasons why you would want to use the YellowBall, is to offer that variety to your large-bodied clients.